Punjabi catering menu. Contrary to general eating style, Punjabis are known for their delicious food and excessive appetite. Meal of Punjab is famous all over India due to its alluring and spicy taste. The wedding menu, without a doubt, is loaded down with every conceivable Punjabi dishes you might know. Each Punjabi wedding is a treat as it satisfies everybody who has the hunger for it. In any Punjabi wedding, you are sure to find the below mentioned items. Starters. Samosa chaat. Chaat is a popular Indian food and is available in many types. It is zesty, sweet, and a very popular street food in India. Samosa chaat is served by including a plate loaded with peas or chole masala, smashed samosa with naturally cut veggie mixings and a dash of lemon goodness. Aloo tikki chaat. Aloo tikki chaat can be utilized to make numerous assortments of snacks and chaats. This tongue-licking aloo tikki chaat formula uses stuffed tikki and other common ingredients like save, slashed onions, and arrangement of chutneys to reproduce the best Indian road nourishment experience. Punjabi samosa. The conventional Punjabi samosa is huge and its topping is primarily made of potatoes and peas, including cashew nuts and raisins makes it a rich and tasty snack. For that additional punch, you can likewise add some amchur powder or dark salt to the filling blend. Adraki lamb chops. This deliciously cooked starter is made out of cutting pieces of lamb meat. Though not common, these lamb chops are an excellent starters and delicious in taste. Lehsuni murg. This basic dish or starter utilizes the solid kinds of pastes, for example, cumin, coriander, and other real flavors and garlic, the outcome being a tempting dish that is sufficient for stirring up for a speedy weekday dinner. Murg malai tikka. Murg malai tikka kebab are powerful and very tasty starters. These are fragrant bites of chicken that melts in your mouth as they are marinated in thick yogurt, cream or malai, cheddar, saffron, herbs and flavors and barbecued to flawlessness. Main course. Butter chicken or murg makhani, one of the most famous dish in any Indian, especially Punjabi wedding, is butter chicken. It is an Indian variety of chicken in a gently spiced curry sauce. Aloo matar or aloo gobi. It is a universal dish that can be found in any Hindu wedding. This dish made of aloo along with matar or gobi is cooked and mixed with variety of spices and give a delightful taste. Dal makhani. Again, one of the most common dishes on an Indian menu, dal makhani is also preferred by all. It is a variety of dal consisting of makhan or butter. Handi chicken. This is again a variety of dish cooked in what most people call as handi. Punjabis, being a chicken lovers, never forget to include this spicy dish in their catering choices. Malai kofta. A popular dish served in almost every wedding menu is malai kofta, amazingly delicate koftas that liquefy in your mouth plugged in a velvety tomato seasoned sauce that mitigates and supports your taste buds. That is the thing that the malai kofta curry is. Naan. How can a Punjabi wedding miss something as delightful as naan? Made of what is called as maida, these breads are available in various forms and stuffing, some of the most common of which are onion naan, butter naan, paneer naan, etc. Raita. This is again one of the most common accessories or let's say a part of Punjabi menu. It is generally a dish made out of curd. Bundi raita is the most prominent and enjoyed form of raita across these weddings. Desserts. Gulab Jamun. It is again one of the universal desserts across Hindu weddings. You are sure to find these delicious pieces of sugar and maida waiting to be served hot in any Punjabi wedding. Gajar ka halwa. Widely loved by Indians, this sweet dish is made out of carrots, milk and sugar. Kulfi. One of the most common and widely found frozen dessert, kulfi is an essential part of any catering menu. The above-mentioned catering menu is not all that you can have in your wedding. These are just the prime dishes that you just cannot afford to miss out. Apart from this, you can decide what your guests would like and how you will be able to satisfy their taste buds.